Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 2nd. This is my PM recap for the US dollar again, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, very early in the day, like pre-London session, Asian session, there definitely was a pretty decent little trade to the upside. The trend is definitely still down for me, at least until we start getting some of these significant breaks of structure, which we obviously don't have yet. So I am definitely still recommending shorts. I mean, it did make three waves up to the 78% today, and it did make a little bit of a move down. The whole thing is, for me, is that we're coming into a big holiday weekend. You know, the 4th of July is on Friday. Tomorrow is non-farm payroll, which is normally on Friday, but they changed it to Thursday this week. So non-farm payroll is likely going to cause some volatility in the markets, but it really seems like the markets have slowed down a lot because it's a big, big holiday in the US and a lot of liquidity obviously comes out of America. So I am definitely still looking for shorts unless we get this breaker structure to the upside. That's what's going to turn me into a buyer more long term. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group. It's linked out here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.